Dart is an open-source general-purpose programming language developed by Google. It was first introduced in 2011 and has since gained popularity, particularly as the primary language for building web and mobile applications using the Flutter framework. Key features of the Dart language include object-oriented. Dart is an object-oriented language, which means it uses classes and objects to model data and behavior in a structured way. Optional type system. Dart supports both static and dynamic typing. You can choose to specify variable types explicitly or let the Dart compiler infer the types for you. Just in time, JIT, and ahead time, AOT compilation. Dart can be either compiled just in time JIT for development and fast iteration or ahead of time, AOT for producing highly optimized machine code suitable for deployment. Asynchronous programming. Dart has built-in support for asynchronous programming using features like async and await, making it easy to handle asynchronous tasks efficiently. Garbage collection. Dart uses garbage collection to automatically manage memory, freeing developers from manual memory management. Hot reload. Flutter. In the context of Flutter development, Dart's hot reload feature allows developers to see changes instantly on the application UI without restarting the whole application. Package management. Dart comes with a package manager called Pub, which allows developers to manage and use third-party libraries in their project. Flutter framework. Dart is widely known for being the primary language used to build Flutter applications. Flutter is a UI framework for creating natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Web development. While originally designed for web development, Dart has evolved into a versatile language used for various purposes, including server, side programming, command line tools, and even IoT, Internet of Things, applications. Dart's ease of learning, its modern syntax, and its ability to create high-performance and visually appealing applications through Flutter have contributed to its growing popularity among developers. With a strong emphasis on productivity and developer experience, Dart continues to be a language of interest for those seeking to build efficient and cross-platform applications.